What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So today I got this guy from Virenknife, $18.99 on Amazon. So it's definitely going to be a mission knife. We got a mission knife Friday going on. Hope you all had a great week. But we're going to talk about something real quick. Have you ever had a song stuck in your head? And they say the only way to get that song out of your head is to listen to it in its full length, and that'll help exercise it from your memory. I've got that problem with mini practices. I've been like the last 2 months. I bought two of them that look just like mini practice, and this one doesn't look like a mini praxis. It looks like a full-size praxis. So I got praxis on the brain, and the only way to fix that is by actually buying a mini praxis. So here we go. Mini praxis by Awwwfully. This one I will look at next Wednesday. I will compare it to the other mini praxis lookalikes I have, and I'll throw this one in there because I have to now. But that should help me with my problem. We'll see what happens, but that's for next Wednesday. This is for now. Looks like a full-size praxis, but we're going to look at it like it's its own knife and actually go over the fit and finish and how it operates just to see if it's any good. And I have heard good things about this brand, so we'll look at it real quick. Their case sucks, I can tell you that right off the jump. That's a crappy case. Look at that. But anyway, who cares about cases? I have the shakes extra bad today, so hopefully I can hold steady. But look at the scales on this guy. Very nicely done. So Brandon, if you're watching, yes, nice scales. If you guys look at my comments, you know Brandon. He always says nice scales is a thing we got going on. But yeah, nice scales. Check it out, both sides. So yeah, actually really nice scales. They did a good job with the G10. Can't complain at all. Good shade of OD green for sure. I think better than that guy. So yeah, very nice looking. Let's pop it open. Oh boy. Why'd you get the action right too? I don't want to like this knife. I want to hate on it, but dang, that's some good action. One more time, because I'm loving it. Like McDonald's. That is some good action. Drop shutty. Just look, oh man, why? Yeah, pops right out of there. No problem with the D10 on this guy for sure. Got your little VR, virtual reality, or Virenknife, whatever you want to call it. Let's look at the blade. So stonewash finish. Got D2 blade steel, 3.75 inches, same as the Praxis. Nice looking blade for sure. The blade is exact. I already looked at pictures of the full-size Praxis, but exactly like the full-size Praxis, but very nice looking for sure. They say it's 62 HRC. Like I said, 3.75 inches, so good size blade. Not a bad edge. I'll probably have to sharpen this one though, because yeah, it's kind of, yeah, just a basic factory edge on that thing, but not a bad looking blade at all. The finish looks really good. I don't want to like you. Jimping, just like the Praxis, same spot and everything. The ergos, yeah, way better than the mini Praxis for me because, you know, the big hands and all. You can choke up. Yeah, good looking blade. Oh, man, it's solid. Why? Let me find something wrong with you. Oh, man. So full specs on this thing. Let me see if I still have it pulled up. 62 HRC. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what they're claiming. D2 blade steel, 4.55 ounces. So a little heavier, but not heavy at all for the size of the knife. What else? Ceramic ball bearings, G10 scales. Full length, 8.35 inches. Handle is 4.84. Dang it. Why am I liking this? Let's look at the fit and finish on the rest of the body. Flush screws for sure. Lanyard hole, non-reversible. The one thing I can note, and I'm not going to bring up a picture, none, you have to take my word for it. The regular Praxis has a little bit different looking handle on it. The finger spots are about the same, but the back of the knife is different. They have a different lanyard hole. It kind of looks different at the end, and it is reversible, unlike this guy. So there is a difference, and that's how they get away with it. Nice liners on there. Open construction. Looks really good. The clip, let's check it out in the pocket. See how it feels, and I'm sure it's going to be fine. Yeah, in and out of the pocket, no problem. Not too tight, not too loose. Good tension on there. Pretty deep carry. Got about a 1/4 inch sticking out. The screws are flush, so it won't catch on your pocket. Centered up. Nice and centered. Feels solid. Why? $18.99, guys. Freaking nice knife. Not going to lie. Let's compare it to this guy with the... I haven't worked on the D10 yet. I've got some tips from folks. I think Faithful was saying just take it apart and kind of try to bend in the bar a little bit, see what you can do with it. But I'll give it a shot. I'll take it apart here. And at the end of the month, I'll talk about it more if I was able to make it more worthwhile. Robert Jones had just cut off the flipper altogether and just make it a thumb stud knife. I might have to do that because the thumb studs actually work pretty good. but we're not talking about the skiff knife, but I just want to look at sizes. The skiff's a little bit bigger. Ergos are a little better on the skiff just because this goes a little thinner, but these are great ergos, I'm not going to lie. So that is that for this guy. Hey, Peggy. I mean, like, I want to not like it, but I'm not going to lie to you guys. I told you I'd be honest. Everything about it, even access is great to the, let's see how far over it's coming. And even the lockup's even good. Yeah. So I know it's a Praxis look-alike, but it's a good knife. Like I said, I'm always going to be honest with you guys on what I think. If it's crap, if the detent sucks, I'm going to tell you. But yeah, it's built well. See how long it lasts. I'll play with it. And in a month, I'll tell you what I really think. And of course, like I said, next Wednesday, we'll do a Civivi challenge, just like the old Pepsi Coke challenge. See if the actual mini Praxis quality-wise trumps all these other guys I got. But thank you all for watching. And thank you all my veteran brothers and sisters and my military girls and guys, you active duty folks. Be safe. Keep your heads down. And I'll see you all in the next video.